Is that all right?
Thank you very much.
Professionals. Go on, carry on now.
I wish to register a complaint. Hello, miss.
What do you mean, miss?
I'm sorry, I have a cold. I wish to register a complaint.
Close for lunch.
Never mind that, my lad. I wish to complain about this parrot, which I purchased not half an hour ago from this very boutique.
Ah, yes, the Norwegian blue. What's wrong with it?
I'll tell you what's wrong with it, my lad. It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
He's resting.
I know a dead parrot when I see one, and I'm looking at one right now.
No, he's resting. It's a remarkable bird, the Norwegian blue. I mean, look, lovely plumage.
The plumage doesn't enter into it. It's stone dead.
No, he's resting.
All right, if he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Mr. Polly Parrot. I've got a nice fresh banana for...
There, move.
No, you didn't. You just poked examining this bird when I got it home, and I discovered that the only reason it was sitting on its perch in the first place was that it had been nailed there.
Well, of course it'd been nailed there. If I hadn't nailed it there, it would have nuzzled up against them bars, bent them apart with his little beacon. Vroom!
Vom? Mate, this parrot would have vom if you put 4 million volts through it. It's bleeding demise.
No, he's pining.
He's not pining. He's passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It is expired and gone to meet its bloody maker. It's a stiff, bereft of life, it rests in pieces and had nailed it to the perch and been pushing up the daisies. His metabolical processes are now history. He's a stiff, bereft of life. He's shuffled off his mortal coil. He's fallen off his twig. He's run down the curtain and joined the brilliant choir invisible. He's bloody stuffed eggs. This is an ex-parrot.
Oh, better replace it then.
You have to argue until you're blue in the face to get anywhere.
Sorry, Squire. I've had to run back to the shop. Fresh out of parrots.
I see. I get the picture.
With, a slug.
Does it talk?
Oh, really?
It's only a bloody replacement, I did it!
Look, I didn't want to do this. I wanted to be a lumberjack, leaping from tree to tree as they fled down the mighty rivers of British Columbia, with my best girl by my side. The larch, the pine, the giant redwood tree, the sequoia, the nipple-rubbing rule tree. We'd sing, sing, sing. Oh, I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I eat my lunch, I go to the lavatory. On Wednesdays I go shopping and have buttered scones for tea.
He cuts down trees, he eats his lunch, he goes to the lavatory. On Wednesdays he goes shopping and has buttered scones for tea.
Oh, I'm
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. I sleeps all night and works all day.
I cut down trees, I skip and jump, I like to press wildflowers. I put on women's clothing and hang around in bars.
He cuts down trees, he leaps and jumps, he likes to press wildflowers. He puts on women's clothing and hangs around in bars.
Oh, I'm
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. sleeps all night and works all day.
I cut down trees, I wear high heels, suspenders and a bra. I wish I'd be a girlie, just like my dear papa.
Trees and wears high heels, suspenders and a bra.
That's disgusting. Pervert.